This amazing Minecraft is a detailed representation of my sustainable smart farm, my art component, which is one of my actions, and yet a big model featuring all my research, including sustainable smart methods to have sustainable agriculture and environment like the UAE. In this sustainable smart farm, there are 5 types of sustainable energies, those being hydroelectric power, solar power, geothermal energy, wind energy, and tidal power. Also, the technologies we use are AcreSat, Azure AI, Ag Analytics, and FarmBeats, which work as drones, robots, and computer systems. Finally, we use advanced agricultural methods such as biodiversity, soil-free farming, LED lights instead of sunlight, hydroponics, aeroponics, indoor vertical farming, and outdoor greenhouse farming. At the entrance of the Sustainable Smart Farm, everyone is required to make a pledge. The pledge is, I promise to support sustainable agriculture, I promise to support the UN SDGs. Sustainable fireworks on important days such as the National Day go off. At the entrance, you can also see a member of staff welcoming you, and pots of the UAE National Tribulus flower. The entire farm is powered by sustainable renewable energy. In the wind turbine and solar park, there is a large field of solar panels and 6 wind turbines. In this solar park alone, there are over 375 panels. Impressive, right? Here, we can see our energy technician carrying out basic repairs. Of course, security is a main priority. In this room, our security officer ensures that there are no health, technical, or criminal safety threats. Once we pass the security room, we arrive at the geothermal energy plant. We use this type of sustainable renewable energy as well as others to power our farm. The process takes place in the iron containers and pipes, whilst the data is monitored by scientists such as the one we see here. Next to the geothermal energy plant and security room building, we see 6 pipes that release steam into the air as bioproduct of geothermal energy. Also, there are 125 panels on the roof. Each tank is named after a famous environmental scientist. The main building of the Sustainable Smart Farm holds a supply zone, main office, staff room, research lab, data and AI monitoring lab, and the education center. At the supply zone, our organic fruits and vegetables are prepared and loaded onto our electrical trucks for delivery to consumers. Afterwards, the main office is where I, the CEO, as well as my assistant, which you can see here, work. In the staff room, members of our staff can store their belongings and socialize during their breaks. In our research labs, scientists like the one with us here use lab techniques to analyze crops and productivity. In the data and AI research labs, such as the one in the back, check our AI data analysis and manage forecasting. They are also responsible for monitoring our different AI technologies. Finally, the education center is a space for learning, such as workshops, seminars, field trips, classes, and many more for school and university students and researchers. Inventors and innovators can also share their ideas in the education center. Institutes can book their visits through the website, which I designed. The largest farming complex in the Sustainable Smart Farm is the innovative indoor vertical farm. There are 4 levels in the indoor vertical farm, all of which use hydroponic and aeroponic technologies, as well as sustainable LED lights, soil-free farming, climate-controlled agriculture, and nutrient-based water. Due to the limitations of the Minecraft, I was only able to showcase a limited number of crop types in the prototype. However, in real life, numerous other crops will be used. Low-energy elevators connect the levels. Now, on level 4, we can see one of our sustainable drones from the FarmBeats AI technology. The drones are able to forecast, analyze data, and harvest crops. The outdoor greenhouses host most of the fruit plants in our farm. In climate-controlled farming environments, the plants thrive in the nutrient-based water. Nature is used here as bees help increase growth, productivity in greenhouses, promoting biodiversity. Here we can see our AI robot from Azure AI technology tending to the plants. All the sections of the Sustainable Smart Farm use sanitized wastewater from the residential areas, the main dam, and the sea. In the wastewater room, the water is treated and filled with the nutrients so that it's safe and efficient for the plants. For visitors and members of staff, the Organico Cafe is the best place to refill their tanks. Servers like the one here serve organic, self-sustaining, and vegetarian food from our farm. The robots and drones we use all come here for recharging or repairs. On the side of Sustainable Smart Farms, there are some residential buildings for members of our staff, such as the one here. The houses are powered by solar panels on the roof. We promote small-scale sustainable farming, and also all houses have greenhouses similar to those in our farm. The wastewater from the residential area is treated to be used for our growing crops. Next to the sustainable smart farms, there is a large dam. The dam collects water from the nearby river and generates hydroelectric power. The water in the dam is also used for the crops and is treated in the wastewater room. Due to technical limitations, we cannot show an ocean to represent the tidal power. Instead, we merge it into the dam to showcase the process. To ensure that the river life is not harmed, two-way filtration occurs. In conclusion, this model hopefully gave you a bigger picture of the innovation of sustainable and smart farming, as well as a look into my research process and development of the sustainable smart farms. As an Emirati, I hope that this project will be developed to support the UN SDGs in the United Arab Emirates.